Hi friends, let me show you this great gift for any dog lover person. It's a collar and bow. Let me show you first the beautiful package. You can use it as a gift box. And this is an incredibly beautiful collar and bow for your dog, okay? It's football theme. As you can see, it has footballs all over it. It's really nice, easy to put on your dog, and you also have this bow that you can put or get on and off, so your dog looks pretty on football day. Let's try it. So this collar is good for small to medium dogs, as you can see. Here's Peggy with the collar, and we're gonna put the bow also. Okay. Okay. So here's Peggy with her collar and bow. Okay. So we're going to try it on Milo also. Okay, so now we have Milo with his collar and bow. Really, really pretty, Mr. Milo.